Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here and stopping by. So I have a Dollar Tree haul to show you. So yeah, I decided to go to Dollar Tree today because I wanted to see what they had, because I haven't been there in a few days and I wanted to see what they had for Halloween. So because I'm like, I know they're getting Halloween stuff in, and so I want to see if they got anything new this year. So unfortunately, they haven't gotten anything new that I have seen yet, but I was super sad because I walked past two aisles and they were like loaded, like these carts filled with boxes of Halloween stuff. Because you know they label on the side of the boxes, and I passed two of those carts and I'm like, I really want to want to see what's inside of them, because I know that they're probably gonna, I'm not sure, but I'm sure they're gonna, but I'm not sure, that they're going to have to get like something new in, every year. So anyway, I was like, bummer. So I totally missed out on the, it's there, but I just couldn't, obviously go through it yet. It needs to be, I'm going to wait patiently for it to be put on the floor. But, yeah, but I did find a couple of things. So I want to go ahead and show you what I got. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So, let's see. So the first thing I picked up is kind of like I've bought one of these before. It's just a rug, it's just a ribbed floor mat. And so I just wanted to pick up another one of these. It's such a good value for $1, because if they get dirty or whatever, you can toss them, so yeah, I picked up one of those, and I'll go ahead and show you it up close. And so I like those. Then I picked up, my daughter needed some more headphones because they go to the computer lab at school, and I personally would rather her have her own headphones than sharing, so they can do that at our school. So I picked up these, so if they get forgotten about or lost, it's not a big deal. So they were only, of course, $1, and it's just such a good deal. So they have a 48-inch cord, which is great too. So there's some room, because I don't know how far she has to plug it in, on the tower or wherever she has to plug it in the computer lab. But yeah, so this is, these have been there for a while at DT, and I bought them before, but I needed to get some more. So I picked up those. Then I also picked up paper plates. So, I buy these often. And then, you guys, I picked up these. So these are my favorite of all the scents that they have there. Is the Good and Clean, this color bottle. It smells so clean. And it's only 24 wipes in this, but you guys, it really does smell very, very clean. So what was I going to say? Yeah, so I bought two of these. Because they don't always have the purple one at my DT. So I picked up two of those. So I really like those. And then I also picked up these earbuds for my other daughter, because she said she preferred earbuds for her computer lab. So I just realized I'm totally channeling Peg Bundy right now, with Married with Children. I totally look like this is what she would have worn, right? This is my new top I got at Walmart a few days ago. So I'm thought I'd wear it for you guys. It was $3. So I wanted to wear it for you guys, but I feel like it's kind of, which I love this. I love I love that show. I watched that growing up, but yeah, I totally feel like Peg Bundy right now in this leopard, because she totally would have worn this. So anyway, back to the Dollar Tree. Sorry, got a sidetrack there. These are earphones, tangle free cord. So I want to show you that. And these come in several colors. So I just picked up these because she tends to like this color a lot, the mint green and purple combination. So I just picked up those. Okay. And then I picked up, this looked kind of fall-ish to me. So I went ahead and got one of these. These actually look really pretty on a table, because we have a kitchen table, and sometimes I do the tablecloths, I have a round table in our kitchen, and sometimes I do these. And so it just depends. I like to change it up a lot. I get bored looking at the same thing all the time on my table. So this is really pretty, and I thought, like I said, it looks, it could kind of be Easterish now that I'm looking at it, or spring now that I'm looking at it, but I think it can go either way, like fall as well. So anyway, these, like I said, look really pretty on a table, and it comes in all these different sizes. So I'll go ahead and show you. Anyway, I just picked up the round one though, so I really like these. Okay, so then I picked up, this is new to me too. I don't know if we need it. I'm gonna have to ask my husband, but I was like, that looks like we might need it. So it's a micro USB cable. And so I went ahead and picked that up, and I can always, you know, return it. I have the receipt. So, but yeah, I don't know if we need it or not, but it looked like something new at DT. So I went ahead and picked that up in case we do need it. Now, the next thing I picked up, oh, by the way, this comes in several different, 2 colors that I saw at least. I was in a bit of a hurry shopping today. So, I didn't get to look through all, you know, these hanging up. So maybe there's more than 2 colors, but I just saw 2 colors. Then, I picked up these. Now, this is something new for me. I haven't seen it before. These are the, I guess they're owls. Are these owls or a bird? Some type of bird. I think it's an owl. And they're ornaments. So I thought I could just get, got these for my kids to do now, like to do a craft. Like I thought that would be really fun for them. And you get 5 of them, and they're on a jute string that you can attach. So it just says create or color your own ornament. But I thought that's really cute for like, even after they're done decorating it, to put it out like, you know, I could attach it to one of my wreaths, you know, or whatever. It's just like super cute, you know. And my kids love doing art projects, so I think that this would be really cute. It also comes in, I think, a turkey, because I was contemplating, should I get those right now? Because I might get those for, I have Thanksgiving at my house. And I might get those. I might wait to see what else comes out. But I want to do a craft for my nieces and my kids and my nephews while they're at my house on Thanksgiving. So I thought that'd be cute to do like to color their own turkey. So I might have to go get those. I'm trying to think about like what I want to do, you know, so I didn't buy it this time. So then they also had. Oh, this was the weekly wow, you know, by the front door. So, I mean, these always come in handy, really, really handy. And they're, what are they, Betty Crocker? And you get 3 of them in there. And they say they're microwave, freezer, top rack, dishwasher safe. And remove lid before heating and microwave. 3.4 cups, each little, like, container holds. So anyway, I picked up that because I thought that's always handy. I can never, you know, get enough of these, have these because they're great. So yeah, I picked up those. Then I picked up 2 of these rugs. Like I said, I, you know, love these rugs. So I picked up this color. This is like a purple, see, I'm going to put these in my garage. So this is like a purple, black, like all different shades of purple. So pretty. It's just so, I love this combination. So I'll go ahead and show you. I don't think I've seen this one there yet before. So I went ahead and got that, and it kind of stretches. And I've never washed these. I don't know if they're machine washable or not. It does say reversible, washable. So yeah, it does say it's washable. But so I got that one, and then I also picked up this pretty blue one with like hints of blues and greens. So thought that was really pretty, like super cute, like just really cute, you know, like it's just a little rug, but these are going to be in my garage on the floor in the garage. So yeah, I like those. So, and then when they get dirty, I just toss them, you know what I mean? Because they're $1, and I don't think you know, they get really kind of dirty when they're in the garage. So it's like, I don't really want to wash those. So yeah, that's what I love about Dollar Tree, because the rugs are like such a good deal that you can just like, you know, I mean, yeah. So, the other thing I got was, I think this is the last thing, you guys. I think. Okay. So, yes, this is a new one for me at my DT. You guys, look at how darling this is. Oh my gosh. Isn't that so cute? I mean, really? It's like totally sparkly, and it's a artificial succulent magnet. So it's a magnet, you guys. Look at how darling that is. So I don't buy a lot of magnets because I already have magnets, but I was like, I have to get this because they're so cute. So it also has a plain magnet one like this, just it doesn't have all the sparkle on it. So there's 2 designs that they have, and I found this over by and it feels like foam on the inside. It's really cute. But I found this in the you know, candle aisle, like that side where the candles are at, and this was over by, like, you know how they have like the ribbon and all that, like across from the frame aisle. I mean, I guess it could be different at other DTs, but that's where I found it at mine. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. Don't you think that'd be really cute on like a fridge? Like so cute. So yeah, you guys, I think that's it for my DT. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. It's a smaller one, but like I said, I'm going to be back there soon to see what they have for the Halloween, you know, stuff that they bring out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope you guys are doing well. And thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, guys, take care. See you all really soon. Thanks again for being here. Bye.